In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a Revolut virtual card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a virtual card on Revolut is extremely simple. A virtual card has many advantages, especially with the fact that it is disposable. So, if you are making a purchase online, it can be very secure to use a virtual card. It will be disposed of immediately after that purchase, or you can manually lock it. That way, no one will be able to steal the information, and if they try to access the card, you will get a notification and you can simply discard it altogether. So to set up the virtual card, you have to do it through the app. Switch over to the Cards tab at the top. When you go to Cards, you will see all of the cards that you currently have assigned to your account, and in here, choose the option to get a new card. When you choose the option to get a new card, you can choose between a physical card or a virtual one, which is of course the focus of this video. So as you can see, get free virtual cards instantly and try disposable for extra security online. So they even list the security here. So choose virtual card and you will be able to customize it. This will not affect the usability of the card, so choose whichever color you prefer. Maybe make it a different color depending on the purpose of this card so it's easier to identify later. Then tap the option to get the virtual card for free and you will have to give it a name, aka label the card. So give it any name that you wish and it is going to appear under the list of cards. It will say ready to use and you can tap on it to see more details. Now there's two main ways to use the card. You can either tap show details, and as the name suggests, this will give you the card number, expiration date, security code, so basically all of the details that you need to make purchases online. So you can choose this option, note down all of these details and input them during checkout, or alternatively, you can use a digital wallet. So if you are using an iOS device, you will see the option to add the card to the Apple Wallet, or if you are on Android, you will see the Google Wallet most likely. So if you choose this option instead, you will be redirected into your digital wallet of choice where you can finish setting up the card. So once it is set up, it will appear under your wallet and you can hold your card or your phone near the card reader. So instead of using a physical card, you hold your phone near the card reader and you will be able to make purchases contactlessly in store. Make sure that NFC capabilities are enabled for your device and you will be able to use this. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Revolut Virtual Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.